Hey teachers, ready to transform your career day from boring presentations to unforgettable STEAM adventures? I'm Mista Pat, and today I'm sharing 5 essential steps that will have your students excited about science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, or STEAM for short. And by the way, I'm a teacher just like you, and I have over 10 years of career day experience. So let's make this happen, baby! Step 1. Set clear STEAM goals. Step 1 is defining your mission. Don't just show students different jobs, inspire them to see themselves as future problem solvers and innovators. Ask yourself, which STEAM careers will spark curiosity? How can we connect classroom learning to real world applications? Research shows that hands on career exploration increases student interest in STEAM fields by 40%. Your goal is to plant seeds of possibility in every student's mind, especially for children of all colors and backgrounds who need to see themselves represented in these fields. Step 2. Build a diverse professional lineup. Step 2 is creating a showcase of STEAM professionals. Include traditional careers like engineers and scientists, but don't forget emerging fields like AI specialists, environmental sustainability experts, biomedical engineers, and digital artists. Make sure your lineup represents diverse backgrounds. Students need to see people who look like them succeeding in STEAM. Invite local professionals, university students, and even parents working in STEAM fields. This community connection makes careers feel accessible and real. Step 3. Design interactive experiences. Here's where the magic happens. Hands-on activities, baby. Instead of just talking about careers, let students experience them. Set up robotics building stations, coding challenges, chemistry experience, or engineering design thinking workshops. Students can build underwater robots, create virtual chemistry labs, or use AI tools to solve real problems. For arts integration, have them design video game characters or create digital animations. When kids can touch, build, and create, they remember the experience forever. These interactive sessions should rotate so students explore multiple STEAM fields in one day. Step 4. Prepare comprehensive resources. Step 4 is strategic preparation. Create career exploration worksheets that help students reflect on their experiences. Develop take-home resources for families to continue conversations at home. Use digital tools like virtual reality experiences or online simulations to bring careers to life. Prepare lesson plans that connect career day activities to your ongoing curriculum. The key is making sure learning doesn't stop when career day ends. It becomes a launching pad for deeper STEAM exploration throughout the year. Step 5. Evaluate and amplify success. Finally, measure your impact and plan for growth. Survey students about which careers excited them most and track engagement levels during activities. Gather feedback from professional presenters about student questions and interests. Use this data to improve next year's event and guide your ongoing STEAM curriculum. Follow up with students weeks later to see if their career interests have evolved. These evaluations help you understand which activities truly inspire future STEAM leaders. Well, there you have it. 5 essential steps for career day success that will inspire the next generation of STEAM innovators. Which step will you implement first? And don't forget to check out our Career Day for Kids videos to help you, the teacher, inspire young minds to pursue STEAM careers. This is Mr. Pat. Peace.